This is a mini solar panel, built-in battery. Up to 6 batteries can be installed. He can provide stable power output. This is the USB power charging port. After installing the battery, please charge the panel before using it. You can choose different output voltages. Press the switch and the red LED lights up to indicate that the panel is operational. Here are some accessories, including USB cables and connectors. USB cable, micro USB plug, TypeC plug, DC plug, set screw attachment, bracket fixing screws. Battery installation process. Please note the positive and negative batteries. Red LED indicates normal battery. Orange LED indicates power output. Green LED indicates already charging. If the green LED stays on, the battery is fully charged. OK, the battery has been installed. Thanks.